What's the meaning of backchat? Backchat. Backchat.
Backchat. Backchat. Backchat is a term used to describe the act of talking back in a rude or disrespectful manner, especially towards someone who has authority or seniority. It is often seen as a form of rebellious behavior that challenges social norms and expectations. In many cases, backchat can be seen as a defense mechanism against perceived injustices or unfair treatment, but it can also be a result of a lack of respect for authority or a desire to assert one's own independence. While backchatting may seem harmless, it can have serious consequences, such as damaging relationships or leading to disciplinary action in certain contexts.